Welcome to installing Hadoop on your laptop part 2 video. Today we'll learn how to configure a virtual machine Hadoop environment. So this section explains how to configure a virtual machine to run Hadoop within your host computer. After installing virtual machine software and virtual machine image, you will learn how to log in and run jobs within the Hadoop environment. So usually have a x86 machine, and in the machine you will learn Windows operating system. And for example, if you are running Windows 7 or Windows 10 operating system, and within that Windows operating system we run many applications, and here we will install a virtual machine, and virtual machine inside that we will learn Linux, and inside the Linux we will learn the Hadoop software. Okay, so virtual machine can be a VMware software or an Oracle virtual box. So this is an brief overview how to install and Hadoop on the your Windows operating system. So first step is, if you observe here, so I hope everyone has Windows 7 or Windows 10 operating system. So first step is here, if you observe here, virtual machine. So first step is I have to install virtual machine. So virtual machine is designed to run inside of VMware player. So a copy of the VMware installer and everything is available in the Yahoo Hadoop environment. So I will tell you how to download that one. Okay, so first you have to go to Chrome. So open the Chrome. So type in Google. It's opening. So I will also provide a link to that website. So in Google you can type Yahoo Hadoop tutorial, and you will get a first link, that is developer.yahoo.com. So open that one. Okay, you have all the contents related to the Hadoop. uh, so usually it has a Hadoop 0.18 point distribution and a virtual machine image running Ubuntu Linux and pre-configured with Hadoop, and a VML player software to run the virtual machine image, a tutorial which will guide you to go through many aspects of the Hadoop's installation and operation. If you come here, if you click on this, how you can download this image by clicking this. Okay, you can, if you click on this one, a zip file will open. So that will download a Yahoo Hadoop tutorial sandbox. Okay, so click on that one. So file has started to download.